I gotta be so honest with y'all, bro. I just did something that surprised me. Didn't shock me, but it surprised me. So I typed something just now, spur of the moment, very spontaneous, very random. I typed something in Chat GPT. Okay. When I use Chat GPT, I don't know about y'all. When I use Chat GPT, I use it to help me with different video topics or ideas, right? I use Chat GPT to dumb down ideas. I don't use ChatGPT to smartify ideas and concepts that I already have in my mind. I just talk about it, right? That's the only time I use that, okay? Spur of the moment. This is what I just typed. I want to show y'all everything. Give me a 2-sentence breakdown for the YouTuber Jaden Banks. Wow. Am I shocked? No. Did I need to see this? 2026, March 12th, right this second, right now? Absolutely. Sense of direction. Jaden Banks is a content creator known for sharing thought-provoking storytelling, personal reflections and commentary on life, mindset, and self-development. His content often focuses on emotional honesty, growth through adversity, and delivering bold perspectives that spark conversation and self-reflection. If that's not your boy, I don't know what is. If that's not your boy, I don't know what is. And the craziest part about all of this is the world knows. AIs, the algorithm, they know. So if you want to grow, you're a YouTuber, a streamer, a podcaster, a gamer, whatever niche you're in, post more of that. They already know. You may lose sight of who and what you possess, who and what you are. This is honest. For me, because why? I bring who I am and what I offer, what I have, stories, my reflections, my thoughts, my realizations, my epiphanies. I bring all of that to the world because I know we need it. That's what we need more of. Not many people can do what I do. Not many people can do what you do. They already know. How don't you? Use this as a sign, even if you forgot who you are, what gifts and skills you naturally possess. Let this shake you back into place, man. Let this shake you back into place. I needed to see this. I needed to see this in this moment, especially the day that I've had today. Like, I just want to thank y'all so much. Like, y'all know me, man. I'm always going to be grateful. I've always been grateful for everything, you know? So therefore, I am so therefore, I am walking to. I'm not running, I'm not sprinting, I'm not jogging, I'm not power walking, I'm not cycling, I'm not hiking. I am walking. I am striding to what's for me with my name on it. Because that is what I can give more to the world and push up. Elevate frequency. What does my bio say on YouTube? My YouTube bio. Elevating the frequency of this planet, video by video. Just be simple. Inspire, elevate, motivate. It's a simple process. Body, mind, spirit. Just be simple. Think, see, feel. Inspire, elevate, motivate. Inspire, elevate, motivate. Inspire, elevate, motivate. Just be simple. Pop you niggas like a pimple. You know what I'm saying? Bring that. So please, and be very aware of the cliches that people put into stories, because they speak like they got the grit. They speak like they got the background, the heart, the umph that comes with the heartbreak, the pain. They didn't really go through it. They're reading a script. Ain't no script. Ain't no script. I don't script no videos. Yeah, like I don't. Yeah, I don't. Kudos to those who do, but it's not for me. A lot of things can be true at once. I don't gotta put you down to big myself up. If you think I'm putting you down to big myself up, then one of those is true. I'm bigger in your mind, right? You've put me at a pedestal in your mind, which weakens you. I can't do nothing about that. I can't help that. You can't help that. You can't change their mind. All you can do is just keep bringing it. Just keep bringing it every day. That's like you like cinnamon rolls. Your favorite meal to have to break your fast is cinnamon rolls and some orange juice. We don't got to speak. We don't got to talk. But guess what I do? As someone who cares about you and I'm thoughtful, I give you cinnamon rolls and orange juice every single day. A lot of times you may not even see my face. You may not even see my face, but I give you cinnamon rolls. I give you orange juice every single day, 9 a.m. You don't got to eat it at 9 a.m. You probably not going to eat it till 11. But it's there. That's how consistent, persistent, and your placement has to be. How strong your placement has to be in people's lives, man. As a creator, thank you. You are a creator. You are sent by God to create. You are placed here to create. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you, and thank more of yourself for sticking with it. I love y'all, man. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for all the love and support. It's your boy, JB.